The city is alive. It breathes, it pulses, and it never stops moving. Skyscrapers stretch toward the sky, streets buzz with endless motion, and millions of people walk past each other every day. There is constant stimulation, sounds, sights, schedules, and chaos all woven into the urban rhythm. Yet for many, city life isn't just exciting, it's overwhelming. You find yourself surrounded by people, but still feeling alone. You work hard, but financial stability seems just out of reach. You chase success, but stress and exhaustion follow close behind. You scroll endlessly on your phone, searching for something real in an increasingly virtual existence. This is the paradox of modern city life, opportunity and struggle existing side by side. But what if you could not just survive, but truly thrive in the urban jungle? What if this chaos could become your canvas? Welcome to a guide designed to help you navigate the complexities of city living. Let's explore how to build meaningful connections, maintain financial stability, and protect your mental well-being in the heart of the metropolis. We're here not just to point out the problems, but to discover realistic, human-centered solutions. The city is full of people, yet loneliness is a silent epidemic. Why? Because urban life creates an illusion of connection. We are physically close, but emotionally distant. In the rush of daily life, interactions become transactional, ordering coffee, paying for groceries, taking the subway. But real connection requires intention. And in the fast-paced city, that intention often gets buried under responsibilities. So how do you break the cycle of urban isolation? These moments add up, slowly stitching connection into the fabric of daily life. Being around people with shared interests creates natural pathways for deeper connection. Connection begins with curiosity and a willingness to be open. It's not about having dozens of close friends overnight. It's about forming genuine bonds, one interaction at a time. The more you reach out, the less alone you'll feel. The city can be isolating, yes, but it can also be the place where you find your people. Money is one of the biggest stressors in city life. Rent, transportation, food, and social activities, all of it adds up quickly. It often feels like you're working just to keep your head above water. Living paycheck to paycheck isn't rare. In many cities, it's the norm. But financial struggle doesn't have to define your urban experience. So how do you stay financially stable in an expensive city? Apps like Mint or YNAB can help you plan your finances and identify unnecessary spending. Creating a realistic budget gives you a roadmap and peace of mind. Sacrificing a short commute for cheaper rent might free up room for savings. There's often more available than you realize. It's about learning how to tap into it. In the gig economy, your skills can become opportunities. In the city, financial survival is about being resourceful. It's about shifting your mindset from scarcity to sustainability. Spending wisely, planning ahead, and taking advantage of available tools can make urban life not only manageable, but empowering. City life is fast. There's always noise, pressure, and a feeling that you should be doing more. It's easy to burn out without even realizing it. We glorify hustle, but forget to ask, at what cost? How do you protect your mental and emotional well-being in a place that never slows down? Create a bedtime routine and limit screen time before sleep. Give your body the rest it needs to handle the demands of urban life. Solitude can be healing when it's intentional. It doesn't have to be elaborate, just consistent. Protect your personal time and avoid overcommitting to obligations that drain your energy. Respecting your own limits is a powerful form of self-care. Mental strength isn't about avoiding stress. It's about managing it effectively. And in a city full of stimulation, learning to disconnect regularly is essential. You can be ambitious and still rest. You can work hard and still care for your soul. City life is a challenge, but it's also full of opportunities. By fostering real connections, managing your finances smartly, and protecting your mental well-being, you can do more than just survive. You can thrive. The city is yours to navigate. Embrace the energy, find your rhythm, and create a life that works for you. It may feel chaotic, but within that chaos is the space to build something meaningful. Because in the end, the urban jungle is only as intimidating as you allow it to be. You have agency, you have tools, and you have the potential to shape your own experience. And remember, you are not alone in this journey. Every skyscraper, every crowded street, every quiet corner holds a story. Let this be the beginning of yours.